look at you at once.
Just okay.
Preferably away from me, too. Don't worry, it's just a
Don't shoot it out of the building.
Yeah, point away from the trailer, though. All the way, Nathan. This way. There you go. Yeah, that way.
Oh, mine went out. Oh, no, it didn't.
The house is that way. That way. There you go. Away from the tree.
Yay! Okay, that's great.
Hey, that wasn't 50 shots, liar. That was not 50 shots. It lied. Oh, snap.
I don't like holding them.
You like holding them, right, Chris? You
Makes
can
me
hold them.
uncomfortable. One might be defective. Right. Trash pile.
I almost found myself with a firework last year.
I hope that bomb didn't mess up the corner of that damn trailer.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, babe. What happened to my purse? I thought you were holding it.
No, it's over there. It's
Over there, it's on the
No.
Oh, thanks. Like somebody farted, like Lucy farted.
Give me one.
Nobody shoot me, okay?
Marissa?
Who doesn't want to hold it?
No, I'm good.
Oh, you want to...
What?
I think it's still rolling. I
Is
forgot
it?
to turn it off.
I get two. I get two.
No, let Matt have one.
Okay, Matt gets one.
Oh, I think he's going to do that one first.
What's this one?
What is that?
It's another baboon one.
Is it like the big one? Oh, no.
Alright. Do them like this. Run.
Nice.
You didn't like it.
Woo!
You didn't like it.
Oh, that makes me nervous. Here, Lynn.
God.
You didn't like my.
Did you not see mine exploded?
Here you go.
Oh.
I'm gonna figure it. Oh, I don't want to go back.
Max, do you like mine?
Yes, dear. Hold on.
You didn't. You liked the pepper, not the food.
Well, sorry. I was firing.
That's just like it.
Scared the crap out of me.
What's a piece? Yeah. I know, right? Anybody have a lighter?
Martha, if you don't stop,
What?
I'm going to light it. Patient. Where's the fuse?
For this?
Yeah. Okay, point it away.
Oh.
Like a Statue of Liberty.
I'm like in between the trailers. Is it done?
Oh.
One more.
Whoops.
I'll say this one for Matt.